Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Heraglitters e-learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Internet Information Service. Here, I'm going to show you how to install the Internet Information Service, IIS. IIS is a web server software package designed for Windows Server. It is used for hosting websites and other content on the web. Microsoft's Internet Information Service provides a graphical user interface for managing websites and the associated users. Microsoft offers IIS, which is the second most popular web server on the internet. IIS can serve both standard HTML web pages and dynamic web pages, such as ASP.NET applications and PHP pages. Go to Control Panel. Click Search icon. Type in Control. And click Control Panel. Select Program and Features. Click Turn Windows Feature on or off to open Windows Feature dialog. Click Internet Information Service to expand it. Click Web Management Tools to expand it. Checkbox for IIS Management Console. Click World Wide Web Service to expand it. Click Application Development Feature to expand it. Checkbox of ASP.NET 3.5. Checkbox of ASP.NET 4.8. Click Common HTTP feature to expand it. Checkbox of Directory Browsing. Checkbox of HTTP errors. Checkbox of Static Content. Click Health of Diagnostic to expand it. Checkbox of HTTP login. Click Performance feature to expand it. Checkbox of Static Content Compression. Click OK. Click Close. To test the success of installation of IIS, type in localhost inside address bar. The page of Internet Information Service comes out. Click Search icon on the bottom. Type in IIS In the best match, you can see there is APP of Internet Information Service. Click it and click Group By. In the right pane, you can see there is elements for application development, health and diagnose, HTTP feature, performance, server components. This is the end of this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.